The new generation interdental, you and your patients will love. This is the new Gum Soft Picks Pro. Love for their softness, comfort, and ease of use, Gum Soft Picks are the patient-preferred interdental tools. And we are now taking them to the next level. With a newly designed head inspired by an interdental brush, the new Gum Soft Picks Pro now has a full head of bristles. Compared to Gum Soft Picks Advanced, Gum Soft Picks Pro has 152 ultra-soft bristles and double the rows. The agile and flexible rubber bristles clean a bigger surface and harder-to-reach areas, including proximal and sulcus areas, making it 50% more effective at trapping and removing food and plaque. A new feeling of superior clean, thanks to ease of access to back teeth and inbuilt maneuverability. Now, when recommending interdental tools, there's no need to choose between patient preference and interdental cleaning performance, thanks to the new Gum Soft Picks Pro. Available in 3 sizes, experience the difference. Order samples now. Gum, proud to care.